Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove limitations from your Telegram account. Whether you're dealing with spam restrictions, app-level sensitive content filters, or even those frustrating login blocks. By the end of this guide, you'll know the real, proven methods to regain full access, and I'll share some tips so you know what to expect and what actually works with clear proof. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about spam or ban limitations, because this is the most common reason people suddenly can't message outside their contacts. Telegram is really serious about user privacy, and if other users report you for unsolicited messages, you'll find your ability to reach out, especially to new people, is instantly restricted. It can feel unfair if you've been flagged by mistake, but don't worry. There is an official way to appeal these limitations and get your messaging rights back. Here, how you do it. Open Telegram and use the official spam info bot. Just search for in your Telegram app. This bot is the primary and trusted way to check your status and submit appeals. Tap Start and the bot will walk you through several prompts. If you honestly believe your restriction is a mistake, be sure to choose the option "This is a mistake" and confirm yes. Next, select the statement that says you haven't sent unsolicited messages. You'll then be prompted to write a short explanation. Keep it concise and polite. Just briefly explain why you think you were flagged incorrectly. Remember, the people reviewing your appeal will appreciate clarity and courtesy. After you submit, supervisors on the Telegram support team will review your complaint. If you're found innocent, restrictions will usually be lifted soon, so just hang tight. Now, here's an important heads up. Patience is key here. Telegram's support doesn't work any faster if you spam the bot or send multiple appeals. It might take a few hours or even a day or two, depending on how busy they are. Also, the outcome depends on your account history. First-time flags are usually temporary, like a one-day block, but repeated violations could mean a permanent ban. And just a note, buying Telegram Premium won't help you sidestep bans or get special treatment, so save your money on that front. Moving on, sometimes the limitation is about what you can see on Telegram, not just what you can send. If you're getting this content cannot be displayed warning in some public channels or groups, it's due to Telegram filtering sensitive adult content on its official mobile apps. This is especially strict on iOS and Android. To disable this filter, you'll need to use the Telegram web version or the desktop application. You can't do this from mobile apps. All you need to do is open Telegram web in a browser, from any computer or even your phone. Sign into your Telegram account, then head to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, and scroll until you see a section called Sensitive Content. Check the box that says Disable Filtering or Show Sensitive Content. It's nearly instant, but don't forget to restart your Telegram mobile app afterwards so the changes apply. And just like that, those restricted messages and media should appear as normal. Lastly, let's talk about those other limitations you might run into. If you can't log in because of too many failed attempts, the only solution is patience. Just wait 24 hours and you'll get a fresh shot. For sending bigger files, the standard limit is 2 GB, but if you really need more, Telegram Premium boosts it up to 4 GB. Same goes for joining channels or groups. Free users can join up to 500, but premium users get double that. If you hit a max, you'll have to leave some old groups before you join new ones unless you upgrade. That's the rundown. Real methods and proven steps for getting your Telegram account back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop your questions or share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. You'll get more straightforward tutorials just like this one with honest tips you can trust. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.